All right. We're gonna have some tomato. A bite. Bite. Want some?
Won't you cut a little piece?
Because she doesn't like it.
Oh, no. Needs a little salt, Mom.
Your papa over there. Bite. Woo! Was it that bad? But it's funny, huh? Hey, goodness. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.